Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with something new to my channel. This is GETMr. This is a monthly men's subscription, or you can one-time purchase it. Basically, this is an all-in-one, one-step skincare routine for men. You use it first thing in the morning. It kind of, what is that? It turns a three-step process, moisturizing, sunscreen, and aftershave all into one. So basically you can subscribe to this monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly for basically $24.99, or you can get it one-time purchase of $34.99. So there is a huge, not huge, but a reduction in price if you do subscribe. So anyway, I'm gonna link down below to GETMr with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review. They did send this to me for review, just so you guys know. We're gonna open it entirely together. I was looking at the ingredients and I was really excited to see this does have niacinamide in it, which is one of my my things that I like personally for my own skin. My air conditioner is not working, so I am hot. And I decided I was going to try out this shirt, and it's a little too hot for me. Anyway, so here it is. Refer a friend, give 10, get 10. All right, this is their newest formula. Getting started. Keep good habits top of mind. 5 pumps daily. Apply 5 pumps every morning to your face, neck, ears, and tops of hands. Rub in one direction for a seamless look. Rinse your fingers and you're ready for the day. Safe ingredients backed by science. You might notice that you feel the daily 1 to 2 seconds longer than other lotions, and that's normal. It's because we don't use chemical SPF, so they are using a mineral SPF where it's not, it's on top of your skin rather than soaking in and working that way. They are better for you. Anyway. Parabens or ingredients that are damaging to you or the planet. Age defense. So this is gonna kind of make your skin taut. That's because they use saponaria stem cell extract, a high quality age defense ingredient selected by dermatologists for men's skin health. So there's that. It's all in eco-friendly packaging, which is also cool. And here's the actual package. So it says GETMr Skin Care on here. This is a 30 SPF, and it is broad spectrum, made with natural mineral blockers to help protect your skin from harmful UV rays. This is about a 30-day supply, give or take. They do use zinc oxide is their active ingredient. Apply liberally. There is almond oil, vitamin E, ascorbic acid, just, other normal. I don't see anything that's I don't even see dimethicone in here at all, which is really cool. So it is pretty good ingredients. I will do a breakdown of all the ingredients on my blog. We'll go in, we'll do the EWG thing, check it for, clean stuff. It is 1 ounce. I think I said that already though. I don't want to rip the box because I didn't take my pictures yet. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Ah! It's Friday. My town is, well, we're actually doing a farmer's market here tomorrow. We're putting it on, so we're excited, and I'm super busy. So there's that is going on. Here's the packaging. Interesting packaging. It's like a plastic. It has active ingredients, zinc oxide, 18.75%. Directions, apply daily, and then that's it. And then this is called, oh, that's the back, or maybe it's not. This is the daily. This is called the daily. I don't know if they're planning on kind of adding more products into their line or not as time goes on. This is UVA, UVB sunscreen, 30 SPF broad spectrum, 1 ounce. And then it says no cap, no problem, twist up top. So, oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. I already did my face, so we're not going to be putting this on my face. So it is a thin, very lightweight. Now, do I twist it back down? Oh, that's so cool. So you could put it in your gym bag. You could put it in your car, in your desk, and it's just easy to use on the go. I actually really like this. It does have a lot number, and it expires in 2023. So here it is. I'm going to put it on my hand. It has a nice, a clean smell. Nothing that's popping out as fragrant or that I wouldn't want to use. And it by the way, so mineral sunscreens tend to leave a white cast on your skin. There is literally none of that. I don't know if you can see anything in the camera, but I don't see anything, and it's soaked right into my skin. I actually really like that. That's really cool. It does have a bit of tack, but I have a feeling that first of all, it's really humid in my house. And I have a feeling that that is going to go away. So I think that this is really cool. I love the ingredients list. I think that it has, I love that it's mineral, first of all. Mineral sunscreens, in my opinion, are superior. You're getting while they are a little, you have to work with them a little more, they are better for you in the end. So that I like. I do like the packaging as well. I think that it's very simple, and they're kind of streamlining it for men, which is something that I think a lot of men can appreciate. So like I said, I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to GETMr so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.